In the world of modern architecture, small homes are no longer just about saving space. They are a statement of efficiency, elegance, and sustainability. With thoughtful planning and creative solutions, compact living spaces now offer comfort, functionality, and stunning aesthetics. Today, we explore innovative small home designs that redefine modern living, proving that a home size does not limit its potential. One of the most exciting aspects of modern small homes is their ability to maximize every inch of space without feeling cramped. Through multifunctional furniture, open floor plans, and clever storage solutions, designers create interiors that feel spacious and inviting. Foldable tables, wall-mounted desks, and hidden storage compartments ensure that a small footprint still allows for a comfortable and organized lifestyle. Modern small homes often embrace nature by blending indoor and outdoor spaces effortlessly. Large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and cozy courtyards invite natural light while extending the living area beyond its physical boundaries. This integration not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also improves well-being by creating a peaceful and open atmosphere. Simplicity is key in small home design, but minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. Clean lines, neutral color palettes, and strategic lighting contribute to a timeless and sophisticated ambience. By focusing on quality materials and purposeful design, these homes achieve a sense of openness and tranquility, demonstrating that less truly can be more. Modern small homes embrace cutting-edge, smart home technology to enhance convenience and efficiency. Automated lighting, climate control, and compact yet powerful appliances optimize the living experience. With voice-activated assistants and intuitive home management systems, these homes adapt to their occupants' needs, making everyday life seamless and enjoyable. Gone are the days of rigid room layouts. Today's small homes are designed with adaptability in mind. Convertible living areas, movable walls, and lofted sleeping spaces allow residents to reconfigure their environment based on their daily activities. Whether it's transforming a bedroom into a workspace or a dining area into a creative studio, these homes cater to diverse and evolving lifestyles. One of the most exciting trends in modern small home design is the rise of customization. Homeowners and architects are collaborating to create spaces that reflect personal tastes and lifestyles. Whether it's built-in bookshelves for an avid reader, a compact art studio for a creative soul, or a hidden lounge for relaxation, small homes are becoming unique sanctuaries that perfectly fit their occupants' needs. Material selection plays a crucial role in redefining modern small homes. Many architects are turning to sustainable, locally sourced, and recycled materials to create eco-friendly spaces. From reclaimed wood for warm interiors to polished concrete for a sleek, industrial look, these choices contribute to both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. Every element is thoughtfully selected to balance beauty with sustainability. Innovative small homes challenge traditional construction methods with modular designs, prefabricated elements, and creative spatial arrangements. Some feature cantilevered sections that defy gravity, while others use curved walls or asymmetrical forms to break away from conventional box-like structures. These bold design choices prove that small homes can be as architecturally stunning as their larger counterparts. Lighting is a game changer in small home design. Layered lighting techniques, reflective surfaces, and strategically placed fixtures enhance the perception of space, making interiors feel larger and more inviting. Pendant lights create warmth, while recessed lighting keeps ceilings uncluttered. By embracing both natural and artificial lighting, small homes achieve an ambience that is both cozy and expansive. Small homes require innovative kitchen solutions that balance functionality with style. Sleek cabinetry, foldable countertops, and modular shelving systems allow for maximum storage without overwhelming the space. Many designs incorporate hidden appliances and minimalist aesthetics to maintain a clean and uncluttered look. With smart layouts, even the tiniest kitchen can be a chef's delight. Bedrooms in small homes are designed to be cozy retreats rather than just sleeping areas. Elevated platforms with storage underneath, fold-down beds, and built-in headboards with hidden compartments help optimize space. Thoughtful details like soft textiles, layered bedding, and neutral tones enhance comfort, proving that even compact bedrooms can feel luxurious and inviting. Innovative small home designs are redefining modern living by proving that size does not dictate comfort, beauty, or functionality. These homes embrace efficiency, sustainability, and creativity, offering solutions that cater to the evolving needs of homeowners. As we look to the future, small homes will continue to inspire, challenge conventions, and pave the way for smarter, more thoughtful living spaces.